Benji, go get the water. Yes, good boy. Okay. Get all of them, Benji. Pick it up. Okay. Pick them up. Pick it up. Yes, that's a good boy. Don't forget to give you a treat. Okay, go get the rest of the water. Go pick it up. Right there. Pick it up. Bring it here. Good boy. You're such a good boy. Okay, get more of them. Go, pick it up. Yes, pick it up, Benji. Yes, that's a good boy. Thank you. Okay, pick it up. Oh, thank you. Okay, pick it up. Pick up the water. Go, pick up the water. Yes, thank you, Benji. Okay, get more water. Yes, thank you. Are you gonna show it to Archie how to do it? Okay, pick it up. Go pick it up, Benji. Pick up the water. Oh, you want to take the balloon? Okay. Go pick it up. Pick it up. Thank you. Oh, again, pick it up. Yes, good boy. Okay, get more water. Get more water. Pick it up. Pick up the water. Pick up the water, Benji. No, Archie. Go pick up the water. Water. Yes. Bring it here. Yes, good boy. Okay, get more water. Right behind you. Right there. Back there. There's the water. Behind you. Yes. Yes, good boy. Are you tired now? Are you tired now? You want to pick up more? Okay, go get the water. Yes, go get them all. Archie, just wait. Yes, good boy. Archie, you want to help Benji? Okay, Benji, go show it to Archie. Go show it to Archie. Pick up the water. Yes, tell him. Tell him to pick up the water. Okay, he doesn't want to go. He doesn't want to go. Just pick up the water, Benji. Back there. Yes. Yes, good boy. Archie, you want a treat too? Watch Benji. Watch Benji. He'll teach you how to pick up the water. Okay, go get the water, Benji. Yes, thank you, Benji. Okay, last one. Wanna show it to Archie? Tell him to help you. He doesn't want to help you. Okay, go get the water. Oh, you're so good, Benji. Thank you so much. Yes, thank you. Okay, thank you for helping me, Benji. Yes, Benji helped me put these water in the box. Didn't you, Benji? Yes, Archie, he helped me. Helped me doing that, yes.